reflection.
So we wrap it up with number 11, which is Sva, S-V-A, S-V-A, Tantria. Tantria, with Y. Tantria. Like Tantra, but with Y. Tantria. Svatantria. And that means freedom. That means we are free beings. We come to this material world to feel the limits so we can explore the free beings that we are. Because if you're just free being, free spirit flying around, how are you going to recognize you are like that freedom? You are already freedom. That's your natural state. We come into this illusion of matter, of body and earth, to realize how free we are. How can we be free inside a cage? How can this body don't become a cage and we feel the freedom of being alive? So every time you feel like, no, I can't do it, no, it's not possible, no, you don't feel that freedom of being yourself. Remember, you are freedom. Remember, this is your natural state. Spirit is totally free. And that means we have free choice. That's why everything, wrapping it up, everything that happens around us is just a reflection of who we are. Of our thoughts, emotions, actions. Everything is a reflection. So, Svatantria, free beings, we choose. So, why not choose love? Why not choose life? Why not choose abundance?
Because so often we choose scarcity.
Yeah.
Since that's the way we were conditioned, those are the stories we made up
Yeah.
based on our...
The old patterns that keep continuing and beliefs that keep us in that wheel of karma that they call the wheel of karma. It's like a dog trying to bite its tail. And it's forever. When it's as simple as saying, hey, wait a second. I am free. What am I doing stuck here? Look. Let's go. Let's celebrate. You know, and that's why you attract your tribe. Like, you want to vibrate high, get with people that also vibrate high. Why are you still stuck with friends and family and stuff? Even my family, like my dad. I love him, and it's not because of this trauma that I had, because I hug him and I feel pure love. But he's such in a negative vibration. So negative. Everything is negative. Everything is criticism. Something so hard for me to take. Now I'm like, you know what? It's my choice. Before I was like, oh, it's my dad. I have to be a good son. I have to be there for him. I'm in the spiritual path. No. I'm sorry, but I choose my friends. He's my friend now. I cut his head 20 years ago. Okay? So he's my friend. Do I want him to be my friend? Not really. I mean, if he comes by, you know, of course I love him, I give him lunch. You know what? I'm always there, but I rarely look for him. It doesn't call me. And it's not bad. It's just like, my mom is so high, so spiritual. It just calls me to be with her. I love it. With my friends, with my family, I have few friends, but they're so amazing, so high vibrational. You choose with who you're living. What do they talk about? What do they do? How do they live their lives? That's just a reflection of how you're living your life. So that's also, yes, it's very important how you choose to live, but you are very influenced. Even if I'm strong, no, that's not going to influence me. I can still keep with these friends and that and be the angel. It's hard. You don't have to. Let it go. When you let it go, new people come into your life. We're scared to let go of the old, but new people come into our life. New works, new experiences, everything new.
So, our work is to also, work with people with low vibration and raise up.
Yes. Yes, low and high vibration, but yes, of course, as alchemists, we come and say, okay, let's do an activation class. Everybody, ta-ta, put some drums, get them dancing, get them move, whatever works, because maybe people don't even want to do yoga. Whatever, we are alchemists. We come and yes, we raise the vibration. That's what we're doing with the class.
So, how is it when you have someone that is like with really low vibration, really heavy, and you know you're like one-on-one, or you have to like hold that space? You know, do you like stay there, for example, if you're like trying for a amount of time and it's like not crazy, do you stop or ask for help or
Everything, all of the above. Till there's a point when you say, oh, I'm sorry, but this is really bringing me down. You feel yourself, and if it's too much, it's like, I'm sorry, but that person has a free choice too, svatantria. And if they're choosing to be there, who do I think I am that I come and save the world? Jesus Christ, like sacrification, like what?
That's to be an intention from the other person.
Of course.
The vibration is no intention to change something.
They have to be
You ask for as much as you try.
Yeah. It's like taking the horse to drink water. You heard of that? Like it's impossible. It doesn't. It's right there. And they're crazy. They don't want to. It's impossible to take him. You gotta hit him and push him and free people. And he's not gonna drink. You can take him to the river. You can't make him drink water. It's a choice. Let's move a little bit. Yay.